Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change passenger details on Omio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio application, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Omio? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type omio.com and that's going to take you into the official website for Omio. Once you get in there, at the top right corner, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now, okay, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change passenger details on Omio. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile name, that is Amanda. So click on that and you have these extended options which include passenger details, your bookings, payment methods, notifications, refer a friend, and sign out. So go ahead and click on passenger details and that's going to take you to the passenger details window. So in here, you can now change your passenger details. Now you have the first thing, which is basic info, and under you have email, name, date of birth, country, travel document, phone number, address, and of course discount cards. So go ahead and click on edit at the right corner and now you can edit this. You can change your first name, your last name, email address, country/region of birth, phone number, travel documents, add your address, and click on save. So once you click on save, the next thing that you can do is to change your discount card or to add a discount card if you need to add. And of course, if you have additional passengers, please add. And if you want to delete your account, feel free. But this is pretty much how you can change passenger details on Omio. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. After that, you'll be more than equipped to see how you can change your passenger details on Omio. Now, don't forget that when you're booking, you're going to get to a segment or a category that says passenger details where you can add your passenger details. So after doing that, if you just want to just get done with the process quickly, you can change your passenger details in here from this main passenger option. You can change it right here and it's going to reflect when you are placing your booking. So I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.